Ever wonder what the difference is between an accountant and a bookkeeper? Then this video is for you. In the ever-moving world of business, financial management is the heart that keeps the rhythm alive. And who are the key players in this art of number management? Of course, the accountants and bookkeepers. Meet the bookkeepers. They're the masters of precision. From tracking expenses to managing invoices, their domain is the daily grind of your financial dance. Imagine them as the backstage crew, ensuring the costumes are in place and the props are ready for the next act. Now, let's highlight the accountant. They're the maestros who take your financial data and transform it into a grand symphony. Accountants analyze, interpret, and craft financial strategies that elevate your performance. In the intricate dance of numbers, both roles are essential. The bookkeeper lays the foundation, ensuring every step is precise and accurate. The accountant takes those steps and turns them into a masterpiece, creating financial strategies that help your business flourish. So, what are the roles of a bookkeeper? Let's dive deeper into the responsibility of a bookkeeper in an organization. Bookkeepers are the guardians of a company's financial records. They track and record all financial transactions, ensuring that everything adds up is in compliance with tax regulations. Their responsibilities include managing accounts payable and receivable, reconciling bank statements, and producing financial statements like balance sheets and income statements. What are their day-to-day tasks like? On a typical day, a bookkeeper might be found entering invoices, processing payroll, and categorizing expenses. They're the one meticulously recording every penny that comes in and goes out of your bank accounts and credit card statements. The bookkeepers are the unsung hero who juggles numbers, maintain order, ensure that businesses can navigate the turbulent sea of finances with confidence. On the other hand, what are the responsibilities of an accountant? Accountants are financial maestros, responsible for recording and analyzing financial transactions, preparing financial statements, and ensuring compliance with tax laws and regulations. Their meticulous work helps business maintain accurate financial records. Accountants aren't just number crunchers. They're also strategic thinkers. They provide insights into a company's financial health, helping management make informed decisions. This can include budgeting, forecasting, advising on investment opportunities. They play a pivotal role in guiding a company's financial future. In the legal and tax-related aspects, accountants also help businesses navigate tax laws and regulations. They help individuals and businesses optimize their tax liabilities while ensuring compliance with tax codes. Additionally, they assist in audits, financial reporting, and maintaining a company's financial integrity, which is crucial for legal and regulatory purposes. You can see just how important accountants are now, right? Now becomes perhaps the most important question yet. The question on everyone's mind. What are the difference between accountants and bookkeepers? Let's consider the difference based on these parameters: education and qualification, job scope and responsibility, and career growth and opportunities. But before we proceed, quickly do me a favor. Hit the like and subscribe button if this video has gave you some value. This is so you do not miss out any future updates to help you with your tax savings and bookkeeping needs. Done? Alright, let's see what's next in stock for us. So, what educational certifications are necessary for the two types of accounting work? Bookkeepers typically do not require a formal degree in accounting to start their careers. Many start with a high school diploma or equivalent. However, they often pursue certifications such as Certified Bookkeeper to enhance their skills and marketability. These certifications cover essential topics like financial statement, payroll, and double entry accounting. QuickBooks Online also offer a lot of options for certification and something worth checking out if you're aiming to become a bookkeeper. Accountants, on the other hand, have more rigorous educational requirements. Most accountants hold at least a bachelor's degree in accounting or a related field. Some even pursue advanced degrees like a Master of Accounting or become a Certified Public Accountant or a CPA after passing a challenging exam. CPA certification is highly regarded in the accounting profession and opens doors to a broader range of opportunities. What is the job scope and responsibilities of a bookkeeper? Bookkeepers focuses on day-to-day financial transactions. Their duties encompass tasks like recording financial data, reconciling bank statements, and managing accounts payable and receivable, and preparing financial reports. They ensure financial records are accurate and up to date. Accountants, however, operate on a broader canvas. They analyze financial data, interpret financial statements, and provide strategic financial advice to organizations. They are responsible for tax planning, auditing financial records, and ensuring compliance with complex accounting standards. Accountants also play a pivotal role in decision-making processes, helping businesses optimize their financial strategies. So why should I hire you for this job? You don't seem to have any experience. Oh, you're wrong, sir. I have a wealth of experience in bookkeeping. My previous job experience was written during my CV. What CV? We're hiring for the role of accountant and not a bookkeeper. I can do it all, sir. In my previous role, my boss praised me for my superior accounting skills. Your boss did what? I am very good at my job. We are a top firm, and we need someone with deep knowledge of accounting principles, not just a bookkeeper. But there's no difference. I can do both. There is a huge difference between them. Like, if I was looking for someone who has expertise in entering invoices, processing payrolls, and categorizing expenses, then maybe I'll consider you. But I'm looking for someone who will be responsible for recording and analyzing financial transactions, preparing financial statements, and ensuring compliance with tax laws and regulations. This person will not just be a number cruncher. They also need to be a strategic thinker. They are called accountants, and you're not one. Then what am I? I'm sorry, but you're just a bookkeeper at best. I'm sure some company out there will be lucky to have you, but not here. Next person. So what is the typical salary and compensation range for bookkeepers? The compensation for bookkeepers varies based on factors such as experience and location. On average, bookkeepers in the United States can earn between $35,000 to $55,000 per year. More experienced bookkeepers and those with certification tend to command higher salaries. Accountants generally earn more than their bookkeepers due to their higher level education and broader responsibilities. In the United States, the average salary for accountants range from $60,000 to $90,000 per year. CPAs and accountants with specialized skills can earn even higher salaries, making accounting a financially rewarding career. Want to learn more about career growth and opportunities for bookkeepers? While bookkeepers have limited upward mobility within their role, there are opportunities for advancement. They can become senior bookkeepers, accounting supervisors, pursue roles in related fields like financial analyst or payroll management. Obtaining additional certification can also open doors to higher paying positions. Accountants enjoy a more expansive range of career paths. They can specialize in areas such as forensic accounting, tax accounting, audit management, or financial consulting. Many accountants aspire to become partners in accounting firms or hold executive positions in finance departments. The CPA designation significantly enhanced the prospects for career growth and leadership roles. Clearly, the distinction between accountants and bookkeepers are not merely academic, but both paths offer rewarding opportunities in the world of finances. When should you go for a bookkeeper for your company? Among the many hats you wear as a small business owner, one of the most crucial ones is that of a bookkeeper. Knowing when to choose a bookkeeper over an accountant is a very important decision you have to make at a point. You might be a budding entrepreneur with a brilliant idea. Your startup is taking off, your products are flying off the shelves. In the midst of this excitement, however, managing your finances becomes more challenging than ever. Trust me, it is the perfect moment to choose a bookkeeper out there. But I can't afford a bookkeeper, you might say. Actually, you can't afford not to. Hiring a full-time in-house accountant can be expensive, but there are cost-effective options. You can hire a part-time bookkeeper or even outsource to a freelance professional. It's an investment that pays off in peace of mind and the accuracy of your financial transactions. If your business deals with a high volume of daily transactions, like a retail store, e-commerce, or a restaurant, you'll benefit immensely from a bookkeeper. They'll ensure that every sale, expense, and payment is meticulously recorded. No more late-night data entry marathons for you. Doesn't that sound enticing? So now, when do you choose an accountant over a bookkeeper? In complex financial situations, as your business grows, so do your financial complexities. You might find yourself juggling multiple revenue streams, investments, and complex accounting standards. This is precisely when an accountant becomes your financial compass, helping you navigate the intricate financial landscape. When you need strategic financial planning is another important point when you need accounting. Successful businesses don't just happen, they're strategically crafted. Accountants are strategic thinkers, as I mentioned earlier. They help you set financial goals, create budget, and chart a course towards sustainable growth. Now, if you need help with tax planning and compliance, this is also another moment when an accountant can step in and help you out. Tax laws are confusing, and one wrong turn can lead to financial turmoil. Accountants are the experts who help you legally minimize your tax liabilities while ensuring you comply with all tax regulations. Another great time to call for an accountant is when you need auditing and financial analyst help. Whether it's internal audits to improving efficiency or to helping with external audits for stakeholders, accountants play a critical role to making sure you stay compliant with your company. They provide in-depth financial analysts that help you make informed decisions while making sure that you pass all the outside third-party compliance needs that you have. Now, let's go into a case studies. Woohoo! A real-world scenario. Let's delve into two real-world case studies, and explore the outcomes and benefit of each case. Case study A is about Sarah, the proud owner of a thriving bakery. As her business flourished, the need for meticulous financial record keeping becomes apparent. Sarah decided to bring in a bookkeeper to manage her day-to-day finances. The results? Her financial records were immaculate, and she had more time to focus on baking her delectable treats. The bookkeeper's expertise and data entry organization was just what she needed. Sarah's choice of a bookkeeper not only kept her financial ship sailing smoothly, but also allowed her to grow her business without drowning in paperwork. The benefits were clear: accurate, efficient, and peace of mind. Everything was there. In case study B, we meet Mark, the owner of a small consulting firm. Mark faced complex financial scenarios, including multi-state tax compliance and intricate financial planning needs. He recognized that a mere bookkeeper wouldn't suffice. Mark decided to hire a certified public accountant to provide strategic financial guidance and ensure compliance with tax laws. Mark's decision to go with an accountant was instrumental in his business growth. The accountant's strategic planning and tax expertise helped Mark save tens of thousands of dollars on tax savings and helped him make informed financial decisions. The benefit? Maximize profit, minimize tax liabilities, and always making the right strategic move. The choice between a bookkeeper and an accountant isn't one size fits all. It depends on your business's specific needs. Assess your business's financial landscape, and you'll discover which professional will best steer your ship towards success. Remember, if you want to learn more about what your company or business needs, feel free to reach out to us for a free consultation. We're always very glad to be of help. If this video was helpful to you in any way, we would love to hear from you by giving us a like, giving us a subscribe, and leaving a comment below for any other questions you have between accountant versus bookkeeper. If you're still undecided out there about who to hire, feel free to leave a comment about your specific scenario and we'll try to help out the best way we can. In any case, we hope you enjoyed this video. If you want great value like this and more financial and tax saving news, feel free to subscribe and you'll be updated with the next best video. Thanks so much out there. We'll see you next time. Alan out.